Hello everyone, this is Tate the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician here on YouTube. I'm going to make this a double unboxing video because I got two cool things to unbox. Let's see, I got something that's cyan in here, and I'm actually going to save this one for last because I know it's something y'all have all been waiting for. And so here it is, here we go. We are going to unbox this first, so here we go. Alright, here we go. Let me just... look at that. It's cyan. There it is. It's a personal fan. It's got 3 speeds. I can wear this on my head and change the directions. Let me just change it this way. And then the buttons to turn it on. Oh, maybe I should turn it to the back this way. And then we have back here we have the battery pack and the there's the charging port, which takes a micro USB. And let's see, where are the buttons? Are they next to the battery? You know, before I do that, I'll open the battery. Well, nope, the battery cannot be opened. Yeah, so the battery cannot be opened. But here it is. Personal fan. It's got 2 fans on it. It's just like my turbo fan over there. Now, if I can find where the buttons are, I can show y'all just how this thing works. Let's see. You know what? I'll tell you what. We will save that for later in another video, but now I know there's something y'all have all been dying to see. Here we go. It just came in the mail today, and I'm very happy to share it with y'all. Here we go. Here it is. You know what? Let me set my camera up on my monster light, then we'll unbox it. Wait, no, I'll put the monster light in the back in the... No, it's still over here. It's just on the ground. Sorry, and this is going to take a little bit, but here we go. There we go. Now I'll set my camera up on the monster bar. There we go. Alright, here's something I know y'all have been all dying to see. So, shout out to Jake from Jake Knows Harmonica, because we got something really cool. Alright. Just open this a little more. In there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. And it's got a nice zipper. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh, look at that YouTube here. I'll bring it in close so y'all can see it. Sorry, my hand's in the camera, but there it is. Alright, let's open it. Let's see. Oh, we got a cleaning cloth right there. Oh, there it is. It's blue. It's blue. And it looks just like a Honer Special 20. Almost. It's got the... and yes, my clock is going off, so just bear with me on that. It's got some good round edges. It's blue. It's awesome. It's the East Top Blues harmonica. So this is my first time playing this one, so we're going to give it a test. Now let's turn it the right way. All right, let's do a blues scale. And there it is, YouTube. There is the East Top Blues harmonica, and also my awesome new fan. Oh, does have an on button. So there's the button right there. But, you know what? I might need to charge it. Maybe not. But there it is. Oh, and there's the LEDs in there. I hope y'all can see that. Let me turn the fans. There they are. There's the LEDs. Yep, I'll need to charge it, so... So there's one of them. So there it is. Alright, YouTube, there it is. There is the East Top harmonica and the fan. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. And shout out to Jake Knows Harmonica. Alright, YouTube, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that. And not just for the unboxing video, but I'm going to go ahead and do something for my harmonica and for the blues. Let me just put this monster bar down. So here is blue for the blues. And then we'll do a magenta and cyan. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and hope y'all enjoyed it.